guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheena if you're new here, and if you're not, then welcome back. Today we're going to do my skincare routine. I'm going to show you guys the steps that I do to keep my skin looking like glass, feeling smooth, and blemish free. I would say that this is more of my intensive skincare routine. I don't do this every single day. I will probably do this full routine once a week or twice a week, but I will show you guys what I use to moisturize, my serums, my masks, and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I do shave my face. I use these little razors and I get them from Target. I use a new one every single time and take the peach fuzz off of my face. You want to make sure that you lather your face in an oil or aloe vera before you start. You hold your skin taut and then you just shave your face. As you can see my little baby peach fuzz coming down, and this is the key to the glass skin. This is the key to a smooth makeup finish and just a smooth look with moisturizers and serums on. I'm being very, very gentle and I'm taking my time. It's definitely a myth that if you shave your face, to shave the hair off of your face, that it will grow back 10 times more, but that's definitely a myth. I don't find that with mine, and I just love to have my face clear. I go ahead and get my eyebrows while I'm at it and my little mustache, and then I go ahead and start with my skincare routine, which I use the foaming gel by Roche-Posay. I think that's how you say it. This foaming cleanser is the best. It will purify your skin. It's made for oily skin and acne prone skin. So I feel like this definitely does the job with cleaning, and it's foaming, skin sensitive, so it's not going to dry it out. And I love, love, love these products with this brand. I'm going to pat my face dry and then I'm going to get into my mask, which I do use the Lush Cosmetic Warrior. This mask is my favorite. It isn't my favorite in smell, but it does the job. I say that this one isn't my favorite in smell because it does have garlic in it, but that is one of the best ingredients because it cleans and soothes troubled skin with the garlic, the tea tree, honey, fresh green grapes, and this stuff is perfect for the skin. It makes my skin feel so good. And for the Cosmetic Warrior, this one will help if you wear a lot of makeup. I wear makeup probably daily, probably 5 to 6 days a week, so I definitely do need to cleanse my skin once a week with this mask, and it brings out your pores, brings out the dirt and the makeup in your pores, and it just makes your skin feel and look so amazing. Now that we have the mask on, I do like to keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I don't like to skip out on the time because I wanted to take out all the dirt and nastiness that it can, just so my skin can be pure and perfect for the next steps. So I wash my face and I pat it dry, and I like to use just the same towel. It's kind of like a microfiber towel, but I just like to pat my face dry instead of just being very harsh with a regular bath towel. I think this is the second most crucial step to the glass smooth skin. This is the Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliator. It has salicylic acid in it, and I focus on my T-zone because it unclogs and shrinks your pores for real, for real. I love this stuff, and it's great for sensitive skin because I cannot use a regular exfoliant. Moving on to serums, I use the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is formulated to draw moisture into the skin for a deeper hydration. I love this serum. I will lather it on my face every morning, every night, and it just makes my skin feel and look so smooth. It keeps the hydration in and it locks in the moisture. For moisturizer, I use the same brand that I use with the cleanser, the Roche-Posay. This is a double repair face moisturizer, and I live by this moisturizer. I love this stuff. I get it all from Target, and it's the perfect cream. It's so thick and just makes your skin moisturized for so long. It has a high concentration of thermal water, ceramide, niacinamide, and glycerin, which helps keep the moisture in for 48 hours and restores the skin's natural barriers. For under my eyes, I use the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Gel. This is my eye cream. I don't necessarily see any change with dark circles, but I definitely see it revitalizing and waking my eyes up, keeping my under eyes moisturized, and I love that about this stuff. A little bit goes a long way, and it's very, very affordable. Last but not least, I use my Vaseline Lip Therapy. This is the Rosy Lips, and it's so cute. It's mini and it's pink, and I just love this on my lips. I'll put it on every like 3 hours, and I'm obsessed with it. That is my updated skincare routine to keep my skin glassy and fresh. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.